Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Slop. Real quick. All right, guys. 2015 model, I want to say. Chrysler Town and Country. Guys, I gotta get out more. I know you guys probably tired of watching typical Chrysler Dodge minivans or whatever type repair. So I'm gonna head it to Brothers Motors. We work on everything now at Brothers Motors, so it may be a little harder to explain what I'm about to do, but at any rate, we're gonna get it done, and I will figure out a way to the best way to get the message across to you guys. All right, yeah, we had to branch out, guys. It's hard trying to specialize when you're an independent garage. Okay, there's some good work you miss out on because the consumer think you only do such and such. So yeah, we had to put a message out there. No, we've always serviced any make and model. Okay, but now we're starting to get to the point because we end up getting a scan tool that we can read things, and it's all about the equipment that you have that will dictate whether you can work on something or not. Yes, so we don't have a lot of equipment, say Ford, or we don't have the scan tools. We have a generic scan tool, but in order to get deeper into things, the scan tool have to be capable of doing more things. All right, so yes, I will be able to get you more vehicles. I want to branch out, broaden my horizon. I got to get out of this bubble from time to time. That's why I always go visit All Park Garage and my other shop, Brothers Motor, and my body shop that I work out of from time to time. All right, yes, be on the lookout for some body shop videos. The whole car in general, guys. The automotive industry have done me well, and I figure I'd display some of the knowledge or the information that I have that may help you, all right, along your journey. Okay, so back to the matter at hand. JT, you talking too much. This car is in for slipping, transmission slipping, leaks, fluid leaks. Hey, check in the light on. But guys, I typically on a transmission complaint like to go test drive them, but because the complaint says something about a leak, that means there is a slight slim chance I may stop pulling on the test drive, which will typically mean I may become stranded, and I may have to make a phone call, and I may have to wait, and I may have to waste a lot of time. So to avoid all of that foolishness, I'm going to get the car in the shop first, all right? And if I feel the need to have to test drive it, I would do that. I would do that, okay? But right now, let's take this vehicle in the shop and look it over and see why this. They didn't even say nothing about the check engine light. They just said transmission fluid leaking and slipping. So we're gonna find out together, guys. All right, y'all ready? Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Alrighty, guys. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh boy. Yes, guys. They complaining about trans leak, but look at this. Guys, this is not trans fluid. Y'all know what that look like? Oil. Okay, and y'all know what the number one reasons or the number one place where oil leaks come from on a Pentastar engine. Look at this. It's all up here. Whoa. Wow. Alright, so the complaint is a little misleading. Look, it's all on the spare tire. How do you come back here? Guys, I never understood the spare tire location. Think about when you get on a flat tire, right? Your van gonna even drop even lower, right? Because you're on a flat, which makes this extremely harder to get to. But I'm a big fan of driving something equipped with a spare tire, no matter how hard it is to get to the spare tire. Look, that oil has made it all the way back here, guys. Y'all see this? Wow. Now, the generalized location typically, look right here. How in the world? That's a serious oil leak. All right, here, let's do this, guys. Let's let the car down, look in our typical normal location where oil leaks are generated from. All right, wow, that's bad. Okay, let's let the car down, guys. We're gonna figure this thing out. And y'all know what this is leading to, but We had to go through the motions, okay? The complaint said transmission fluid leak. No. Hold tight, let's let it down. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Righty, guys. Let's get this cover. Because we need to take a look in the area of the oil filter adapter housing. And ladies and gentlemen, yes, anytime you see, wow, anytime you see oil on top of the transmission, there's only one place, well, a few places it can come from, but typically it's coming out of this galley, guys. Look at all that oil on top of the transmission. Maybe that's why they thought it was transmission fluid that was leaking, but in fact, it's oil. Now, Mike can get a better view. Let's see. Yes, if you look straight down in there, you can see oil everywhere. So this is the culprit, guys. We have an oil leak at the oil filter adapter housing. All right, so technically, in order to fix a transmission leak, we're gonna have to fix the oil leak. Now, guys, because it's, what I'm saying is it's oil that's leaking, but sometimes you gotta explain to customer what's really going on. Now, guys, let me explain something to you. It's not, if you're in the business of protecting your image and maintaining a good image, it's not just simple as, yeah, look right there. It's not just simple as taking this off, replacing the oil filter adapter housing, and give it back to the customer. No, guys, I'm a big fan of leaving my imprint on things. I will steam clean this engine, and this complete engine at this point. I will spray degreaser down here, go to the detail department, use a high pressure wash and clean all of that up. This car will not leave with any kind of residual fluid leaking that will make the customer, especially what if they park their vehicle in a nice, clean, pretty garage with marble floors. Any drip from the previous leak may show up, and they'll be right back saying they still got an oil leak. So try to clean this up is my point, guys. I would get all this cleaned up. So what I'm gonna do, guys, this is pretty simple, and I'm sure I have countless videos out there on replacing the oil filter adapter housing. I'm gonna write that up. Now, y'all know I can't stop here, guys. Let me get these wheels off. I cannot take a peek. I can take a peek, but it's not a good look. So I'm gonna take the wheel off, take a look at the brakes, and I may just go drive this, but I'm gonna verify the oil level. Guys, let me say this. All right, I'm finna dog myself out. Well, it's hard to dog yourself out when you didn't know. I took a chance. I didn't even know if oil was in the crankcase. For all I know, this car could have seized up on me on the way in the shop. In my possession. Who would have looked bad if this car seized up? I would have. All right. I'm a big fan of checking fluids when you're dealing with leaks, period. Because now notice I didn't test drive it because I fear that I may become stranded because it's low on transmission fluid. This is just as dangerous and risky having this low as it is this. So this can, at least this would just stop you from pulling. If this is low, it can seize up the engine and you go no more. My point is, you might want to make a habit of checking fluid. All right. So that's all I have, guys. I'm gonna write this estimate up and see what happens. I'll let you guys know. In the meantime, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Yo.